News on the race for a vaccine. Pfizer says it's reached a safety milestone for its vaccine that is more than 90% effective. Moderna reports its vaccine nearly 95% effective and is also hoping to clear safety hurdles. Both will then be applying for FDA emergency authorization. News Channel 3's Dana Romero reports tonight on how distribution of the vaccines may look right here at home.
Coachella Valley hospitals like Eisenhower Health are still trying to figure out what the COVID-19 vaccine distribution plan will look like for their employees.
Are we really talking about all 4,000 in the first wave or only a small subset of those in the first wave? And do we mandate that the healthcare workers get vaccinated against COVID-19?
Dr. Alan Williamson from Eisenhower Health says they understand California's plan in rolling out the coronavirus vaccine to the high-risk category. But it's still unclear who from that population will be getting the doses first.
Frontline healthcare workers, what's the definition of that? Are we talking only about physicians, nurses, respiratory therapists, EMTs, and so on that are directly involved with COVID patients? Are we talking about all of the staff in the hospital who are potentially exposed?
Riverside County health officials plan to mirror the state's and federal's guidance and clarify just who would be first in line for the vaccination.
Healthcare personnel that care for COVID patients and first responders, police, fire, our EMS people.
County spokesperson Jose Arbayo says there will be 3 phases. Phase 1 broken up into 2 parts.
Phase 1B is other essential workers like food production personnel, teachers, school officials, child care providers. Phase 2 would be whatever's left over from phase 1 and critical populations within the general public. And then phase 3 would be for the general public itself.
County health officials say the general public will probably be getting the vaccine early next year. But there are still other questions at play as the county tries to strategize their plans.
How it gets distributed to either the hospitals or different locations, whether the hospitals themselves do the vaccination or whether some other means is done. Those are part of the things that are still being worked out.
In Rancho Mirage, Dana Romero, News Channel 3.
Now, the county is hoping to finalize the distribution plans by next week.